neon sign beating on the good times. Moonlight rising from the grave. String band playing worn out honky tonks. Pretty young thing going dancing in the rain. I hear ladies spitting at the naked jacks. This is man with a needle and a spoon. Coyote chewing on a cigarette pack of young boys going howling at the moon. Hey darling, sleeping on the blacktop. Hey darling, running through the trees, honey. Hey darling, leaving for the next town. Listen, my sense catches up with me. Dead in a crash on a number 4. 2 witnesses blowing up high. Not sure whose will be done. You can call me a sinner for wondering why. Hey darling, sleeping on the blacktop. Hey darling, running through the trees, honey. Hey darling, leaving for the next town. Listen, my sense catches up with me. Hey darling, sleeping on the blacktop. Hey darling, running through the trees, honey. Hey darling, leaving for the next town. Listen, my sense catches up with me. Corn liquor tastes sweeter in this town. Could it be it's the same as the lies? I swear I've seen your face elsewhere before, just as familiar as a bottle and a glass. Hey darling, sleeping on the blacktop. Hey darling, running through the trees, honey. Hey darling, leaving for the next town. Listen, my sense catches up with me. Hey darling, sleeping on the blacktop. Hey darling, running through the trees, honey. Hey darling, leaving for the next town. Listen, my sense catches up with me. top of the mountain. Yeah, we never coming down from the top of the mountain. Yeah, we fall our way to the top of the mountain. Yeah, we never coming down from the top of the mountain. From the top of the mountain.
What's up, Patrick? What was that look? What was that look?
I don't know. I lost track of time.
Yeah. There's no more clap in the Lego thing. I realized that. So.
Yeah.
But there's enough noise there where you'll be like, wait, what's going on? What's going on? So, welcome, everyone. We have a successful live stream today. So, although right before it, Patrick's internet started doing a little wonkiness, and he may be a little glitchy, but it's all right. We're going to roll with it.
Yeah.
So if you see Patrick glitching out, we know. Yeah. Or he could be having a seizure. I don't know.
Oh, no.
No, I know. That's horrible. Like, we don't want that. We just want the internet to be
jeez.
glitching. Yeah.
Don't say that.
I know. Welcome, everyone. Oh, I got to remember how to do all this. It's been a bit, but we're back.
We're back.
Welcome to the live stream. If you are new to Guy in a Cube or the live stream, put hashtag new in the chat. We always love seeing the new faces. Hopefully there's some new folks today. Patrick, we had a Power BI just celebrated 10 years on Thursday.
Yep.
It was nice.
It's just a little old. I'm just a little older than it by about a decade.
Just a little bit. Wow.
Yeah. Like 23 this year.
So you're almost old enough to drink.
Oh, no. I am. I'm 23.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Just to be clear.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. So I'm dropping the link again. I dropped it a little bit before, but if you want to check out the 10-year live stream that we hosted on Thursday, go ahead and check out that link. Not right now. You can do it after the stream. So that'll be good. All right. Let's see here. Here we go. Big shout out to all of the members of Guy in a Cube. You help us do what we do here on the channel, so really appreciate that. If you see folks in the chat with like a green name or a Guy in a Cube icon next to their name, those are members of Guy in a Cube. Thank you so much. If you want to learn more about becoming a member, check out the link on the screen, or you can hit the join button on the YouTubes and learn more about it. No commitment required. Yeah. I heard a new phrase. I like it, although I don't like it at the same time because it promotes Google instead of Bing, and so I'm conflicted about it. But I was watching someone, and there's like, yeah, just go to the Googs and look it up, and I was like, that's pretty cool. I liked it. Anyway, all right. Nice
The
distraction.
Googs.
The Googs.
The Googs. Oh.
Yeah, just Goog it. Yeah, I guess that's the new age way of saying Google. I don't know.
I don't know.
So members, thank you so much. We did the 10-year. We hosted the 10-year live stream on Thursday, and then we went to the Houston user group and hung out there and met a bunch of folks. That was really fun. Christina, I'm very scared about that. I'm not gonna dive into that right now. Yes, Miss Belinda. No, Christina was saying, like, do you know what Bing stands for? I'm like, I don't.
Yeah.
Maybe that sounds like a better discussion at a bar. Just to be safe.
Because it's not Google. Because it's not Google.
Oh, that's funny. Wow. All right. Well,
gotta
funny.
use that one.
I was
Thank you.
I was
gotta
worried it
use
was
that
gonna be
one.
like not safe for work. And so that,
No. I thank you.
just knowing
thank you so
Christina,
much.
that could have gone either direction. So yeah,
That's great. That's great. That made
I
my
do
day.
like that. I do
That
like
made
that.
my day. I love
That was
it. I
funny.
love it.
Oh my gosh! And then Mark Price Mayer coming in saying, "Yeah, Bing is not Google." Well, that's true.
That's great.
But yeah, wow.
That's
Wow.
great. That's a good one. That's a good one.
Yes, Matthew. That's what we were all Bing. Like yeah.
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 .com.
Dot
Yeah.
com.
Yeah.
Oh
that's
my
hilarious.
goodness. Oh my goodness. All right. Y'all may be wondering, and Matthew did ask this in the chat, but Martha is not here. Did she announce this publicly? I don't even know.
I don't think she did, but I think you're about to.
She has some family stuff going on right now, and so she's
Good family stuff.
Great
Good
family stuff.
Great
Great
family
family
stuff.
stuff.
Great family stuff.
yes, it's
Great.
super great news. It's amazing.
Yeah.
But
Yeah. Oh, somebody just said it.
yeah, someone said
Somebody
it.
just said it in
All
the
right.
chat.
So anyway, so she's going to be out for a little bit. She'll be
Yeah.
back, but she's taking
Yeah.
some family. She's taking some family time to enjoy
Yeah.
the new things in their life, and so
Yeah.
we're happy for
Yeah.
her.
Yeah.
We're checking in with her every once in a while. Everyone's great. So,
Yeah.
but yeah, she will be back. Don't worry about that.
Yeah.
Yes, Martha
Yes.
lives in
Yes.
Oslo. Yep.
Yep.
All right, let's get into this. Patrick, are you ready? We got some questions in the
Yes.
queue, and if now is the time if you want to get it answered. So we have some rules here on the stream. So rule number 1: please put Q: in front of your question to get it queued up. I am queuing it up, which will be amazing, right, Patrick? It's always amazing.
No.
Yeah,
No.
because I'm the best. Yeah. So get it in, and one time's all you need, and it'll get in the queue, theoretically. And then rule number 2, we have a 3 strikes rule here on Guy in a Cube. Do not spam the chat. Like I said, one time is all you need. With Q: in front of it, it will get queued. We try to get to as many questions as we can, but we usually don't get to all of them. So we'll see how it goes. But if you do spam the question or anything in general, 3 strikes rule, after a third time, you will get put into a timeout by one of our moderators, likely Matthew.
That's not Patrick.
And definitely not Patrick. Patrick doesn't do those things. So, yeah. So don't do that. And then rule number 3, members, wait till the halfway mark until you post your questions. We will switch over to member-only chat. It's one of the perks of being a member, and then we'll go through your questions at that point. If for any reason during the first half, during the second half, if we don't have enough member questions, we'll kick back over to open chat and see where it rolls. All right, especially as we're getting back into the live stream motion and getting people back in.
Yeah.
What?
Patrick is. I don't understand. I'm reading questions. I'm not perturbed. David. I'm just really. I saw a question that really got me.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. All right. Yeah.
I'm not, David. I promise I'm not.
No,
I
that
promise.
look is Patrick getting focused on tech and not paying attention to anything else.
I deployed to
Including
production
this
last
guy.
night. Night, and it didn't go well.
No.
So
He did the stereotypical, we're deploying at 5 p.m. on Friday. What could go wrong? Pings me this morning. Yeah, the whole thing broke. Like, shocking.
bro.
Shocking.
Bro. Yeah.
Oh, look at
So I
that.
spent.
Thomas
was up
said
at
Kerberos
7
is
a.m.
36 years old.
Nobody cares about Kerberos.
It's like Kerberos. It just works. Sorry, you were what?
Let's start answering questions.
Yeah, all right. Enough of all this talking. Let's head over to the queue and answer some things. All right. Guillermo's got first question up because Guillermo was super early, which is great. And I already looked this one up, Patrick. I know what the answer is. You will be
go.
so proud of me. All right, so first question. Maybe I missed part of the documentation. Are there any tenant configurations required to enable materialized views? And this is specific. There's a new feature called materialized views inside of lake houses, inside of Microsoft Fabric. So the short answer is no. You don't have to do a tenant configuration. But the reason why you're not seeing it could be twofold. And so let's head over to my machine to take a look. Oh, Patrick's curious. He's like, whoa, wait, what? Yeah, I did this during the countdown, man. All right, so I just created a new lake house, and you'll see right here, manage materialized. What? Can't what?
Oh, okay, cool. I see it.
Oh my gosh, don't mess me up, man. Everything works. All right, so you can see I've got materialized lake views. So a couple things. One is that it requires that you create a lake house with schemas enabled. So if you don't have schemas enabled, you can't use materialized views. And that is called out right here in the documentation somewhere. Yeah, lakehouse schemas. So you need to have lakehouse schemas enabled. The other thing I saw in the documentation, which could be why you're not seeing it too, is dependent on the data region you're in. So it does say that these regions don't have it yet, and it'll be there in a few weeks. So North Central, West Europe, North Europe, which North Europe is one of the bigger data centers in Europe. And so my guess, Guillermo, is you're probably in North Europe, or maybe, I don't know. But check out the data center, and then also check out the schema settings if you got that. So, yep, yeah, your lake house doesn't have schemas. Yeah, no joy on that. So there you go. Look at that, Patrick. Are you proud of me?
That's great.
That's great.
That's great.
All right.
Yeah.
Love it. It's great. All right. Let's see here. Get rid of that one. Peter asked a question. Are you guys going to FabCon Europe 25 in Vienna? And would you be cool with a quick selfie with a fan? You want to answer that, Patrick?
Yes and yes.
Yes and yes.
Yes and yes. Absolutely.
Yes.
Absolutely.
So,
Absolutely.
yeah, if you see us, come up, say hi. Always happy to take a selfie. The other thing to know about at FabCon Europe, if you're going to be there in Vienna, is there's going to be 2 scheduled meet and greets with Patrick and I. So, because Martha's not going to be there, right? I don't think Martha is at FabCon.
I don't think so.
I don't think so. At FabCon.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, yeah. So, but 2 meet and greet lines, one on Wednesday, one on Thursday. I know the times already of when those are scheduled. I won't say it here. You'll find out when you get there, but there's one on Wednesday and there's one on Thursday. They're both an hour long. They were going to do it for a half hour, and I said, make it an hour. So yeah, so it'll be great. And there's going to be a queuing system again, like it was in Vegas, which is amazing. So yeah, so either find us randomly or come to the meet and greet line. It'll be great.
Please come to the meet and greet. Please come to the meet and greet. Please come to the meet and greet. Randomly is a little more challenging.
It could be. I mean, like we could be busy or in something, and so like, yeah. But it happens. Like we'll do what we can.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right. Let's see here. Oh, we got some more questions here.
Oh, that's a good one, Matthew. That's a good one.
Wait. Someone put. There was one I saw. Oh, because they just did Q and not Q colon.
That's a good one, Matthew. That's a good one, Matthew. Look what Matthew said. You got to show what Matthew said.
Oh, sorry. I'm trying to do things. Is this because of the Q?
Yeah.
We're going to call it the Q colon.
I like it.
And we know what happens in the colon. So, hang on.
Yes, absolutely, Matthew. Absolutely.
Where? What? I'm missing it. So there's oh my gosh. I'm proud of myself for not also saying full of yes.
Oh, it's not stopping. No, it's not stopping.
Oh my gosh. And this is how it rolls. Someone says something and we go off on a tangent. Now I wish I actually had like a sound effect for.
Yeah, it's good. Bottom humor. It's bottom humor.
humorous lights. Oh my gosh. Did someone say that or did you come up with that? Because that's funny.
Okay. Stop.
Oh, but
Let's get serious. Let's get serious. Let's get serious.
Almost like
Let's get serious.
Yes. What we're working on right now with the questions is what we call a colonic flush. So.
Oh no! Stop it. Come on, man.
All right. Let's go. Whew. All right. Shashank, thank you for becoming a member.
Yeah, thank you so
Very much appreciated. Also, I missed Jerry earlier had become a member as well. Thank you so much. Welcome to the crew. Apparently, there's anyway. I'm not going to go there again. Anyway, all right, Aman. Did I hear correctly that the Onprem Gateway will be self-updating and soon? I'd have to go look at the planner. I know it's been in discussion for a long time, and it's been a big ask from customers for that. I hadn't heard specifically if that was planned or not. I'd have to go to the planner.
I tried to look.
Did you go to the planner?
Yeah, I looked. I did. No, I'm not on that machine. I can't go to them.
You know that's a public website, right? The roadmap.
I didn't even think about it.
Oh my gosh.
I'll go right now. I'll go right there.
All right, Patrick's going to go look. So there is a roadmap. Where would it be? I guess Data Factory. Hang on. Let's go over. I'm going to my machine. Let's go look.
You got it open.
So if you go to aka.ms/ I don't think I have. Do I have a command for roadmap?
If you just go to PBI.
No, go to Fabric Roadmap. It's the same thing. There you go.
Brought me to the Fabric Roadmap.
There you go.
It brought me to the Fabric Roadmap.
Yeah. All right. Alex just confirmed it's on the roadmap. Cool. So where would...
Alex is here.
Yeah, of course Alex is here. Alex is everywhere. Alex. Ooh, auto-scaling gateway clusters for VNet Gateway. Ooh, all right. Where is... Man, I need to talk to the people that are in charge of this thing.
Auto-scaling. Oh.
Wait, where is... Oh, there it is. Auto-update. Planned. Q3.
Oh, there it is.
Q3 2025. So that's calendar quarter, not fiscal quarter. So that would be...
It's coming up.
Yeah.
It's coming up.
It's coming up.
It's coming up.
We're in...
Look at this.
We're in Q3, right? Yes. We're in Q3 right now.
Yeah.
That's amazing.
Yeah, it's coming up.
I had to do quarter math.
It's planned.
It's planned for Q3.
It's planned. Oh.
This quarter. What? What?
You did math.
That was right math. Yeah, trust me.
Okay. This is
So
good.
yes, so it's coming. That's great. We all learned something today. I know, like I said, it's been talked about for a while. So I'm happy that we're going to do something there. Yeah. Nope, it's Q3. It's Q3. Yes, it is currently Q3. Adam got that right. Patrick doesn't trust Adam math. And it's valid. I'm not going to say that that's incorrect. And now Patrick has gone down the rat hole of, let me look at all the roadmap items.
I stopped looking.
Yeah, he'll go back. That's fine. He'll go back. That's going to be his rat hole for the afternoon. He's going to go down that rabbit hole.
I got to fix my deployment.
Mark Walter coming in with 5 gift
Thank you,
subs.
Mark.
Thank you so much, Mark. Karsten, welcome to membership. Akash, Azure OW, Stefan, and Scarlett. Thank you so much, Mark. So welcome to being a Guy in a Cube member. It is great. And then I'm assuming that might propel you, Mark, in the top fans leaderboard. Apparently, I know that Super Chats definitely bumped that up, but it could be, I don't know. I'm assuming the gift memberships do it too. So, all right, Alan, coming in. I have an F64 capacity. All users have Fabric free licenses. When does a user need a Power BI Pro license? I have users saying they need it for stuff, not sure if it's needed. When do you need versus not need Pro? And so basically, if you think about creation of items related to Power BI, so if you want to publish a Power BI report, you want to create a new Power BI report, I want to say creating a semantic model, maybe. I'd have to try that. But definitely publishing from like Power BI Desktop or creating a new report on a semantic model, that requires a pro license. So think about it in the scope.
Authoring
of Power BI content. So, Mark, what did you not understand what that meant? Interesting, Alan. So, like things like models and other things confuse you. So, semantic model is a Power BI item. So that's the semantic model.
Is it really a Power BI item? It's
analysis
really
services, which is built by the Power BI team. So I'm going to call it a Power BI item.
That's fair, but it gets yeah.
Sharing content, I don't believe requires a pro license. If it's backed with capacity, I don't believe that requires a pro license. I'd have to validate that, but pretty sure. So if you don't have a capacity, either premium or fabric, then yes, like you need a pro license or a premium per user to do the sharing stuff. But if it's backed by capacity, you should be able to do that. All right, Alan came in like sharing models on the web and other newer Power BI web features. Yeah. I should do a video.
Prachi and I are thinking alike.
I should do a video.
Prachi and I are thinking alike. Oh, you should do a lot of videos. You should do a lot of videos. You should do a lot of videos.
Really Prachi, that's a good question. I don't know. I'm not sure if that would do it. I'd have to try it.
I understand, that semantic model is a Power BI item, but if I'm in a notebook, I can create one.
Programmatically, right?
So, programmatically.
Yeah. But I think if you go to the interface and you do like new semantic model, like that may block it.
Yeah. So I'm guessing you can't create it programmatically then.
Well, guess what? I'm going to make a video and look at all of those things. And we're going to find out for sure.
Sure.
But this is a good example, and I love Matthew's. I'm going to absolutely do that.
Sure.
I'm waiting for... where's Matthew? So Matthew had a great comment, and this goes to the root of how Patrick and I know things, right? Like if we're not sure, so like on the first question with the materialized view, I'm like, I went and I looked at the docs first, and then I went and created the lake house and did the schema. I'm like, boom, there it is. And, so it's like, we'll try it. Like, let's see what it does, what it doesn't do.
Like the next 3 videos that's coming out from Patrick.
Yeah. So I lost my thought. All right, never mind.
Okay, let's move on.
All right. So first off, Miss Belinda, thank you for another 5 gifted memberships. I appreciate you. Roshnell, I'm gonna say Jorge, Jake, Martin, and Renaud. Welcome to being a member. Thank you so much. And then Alex coming in saying, member for 64 months. So I've been here since we started kind of doing the live stream journey. Not old, just classic. I love it. All right. Moving on. Let's go Fernando. Could you explain the rejuvenation process you use and gets reversed with Patrick? Oh, because you're only 23.
I don't.
Yeah. Do you have the Fountain of Youth? Did you figure that one out?
Yeah, I take it with me at whenever I move. Yeah, it's in the back. I got it right now in the back.
You didn't share that with me when I went over there.
No, it's a very private thing. It's a very private thing.
Apparently. Does it involve the colon also? Carrie, member for 24 months. Appreciate you, Carrie. Wow. Yeah. Bathory. Oh my gosh. All right.
Oh, wow. You look younger, Adam. You look younger. I look older. That's what Fernando just said.
Wow.
You look younger. Patrick looks.
I figured with Patrick's facial routine that he's doing, like he looks younger. He glows. I heard over the last weekend, Patrick glows. I don't know if you remember that part from last Saturday.
I do.
All right, let's go. Dream IT's got a couple. It's a three-parter, even though it says one of two. Instead of manually scheduling each data pipeline through the UI, is it possible to orchestrate and schedule all pipelines using code? Second part. If so, what are the recommended tools or frameworks for doing this efficiently in a enterprise-grade environment? If yes, what are the available approaches to implement code-based scalable? Yeah. Okay. So, what say you, Patrick?
I'm not gonna say no. I've never tried to do the pipeline thing programmatically. I did some searches to see if there were APIs or anything available. I didn't see anything, but that's not to say it's not possible, right? It's not. That's not to say it's not possible. I've never done this, Adam, so I don't know.
I would imagine that if it was possible, like you'd probably be able to do it through like the semantic link labs or whatever that program.
I didn't see it in there. I didn't see it in there.
Okay.
I didn't see it. I didn't see it in there.
Yeah.
I looked. Yeah.
All right.
So
Alex is saying that there's a REST API for it. Scheduling is on you then logic. Oh, so REST API meaning you can kick off the pipeline. And so therefore through code, you could actually schedule it that way. So, but there's not actually like code to set the schedules per se, maybe.
Yeah. I don't think there's a way to set the schedule.
That's okay. But if you watch Patrick's video on DAG, you could do it through notebooks, and then you could have a whole crazy setup there. So that's interesting.
Okay. This one. Oh, look, wait.
Yeah.
There is there's an API. Okay.
Right, and that's what Alex was saying. Yeah. So.
Wait, somebody said the REST API lets you schedule. Not semantic models though. Not semantic models. And so if you can write a notebook, that calls your pipelines, then you can use that runs the pipelines, right? And I think that's what this API does. And so if you can do that, then you can use the direct acyclic graph. How about that, Adam?
Acrylic.
You can use that. Acyclic.
Yeah.
You can use the DAG, and then you can orchestrate it to run the way you want it to run. So, but yeah.
Nice.
Yeah.
Acyclic.
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 We
were taught how to pronounce that word. We were taught how to pronounce that word by someone on our team.
I'm pretty sure Scott's right. I'm just gonna say that. So.
Oh no, Scott's right. Scott's absolutely correct.
Yeah. Actually, I'm correct. Acrylic.
Yeah. Let's keep going.
Power BI can use incremental refresh with SharePoint. Power BI can use incremental refresh with SharePoint Excel files by extracting data from the file name before invoking data. What if I change the data from an old file to a current date? Can this cause twice the number of records?
It's if the challenge with it is the old partition. If the old partition is not refreshed, so let's say it was April 2025, and you changed it to July 2025. If the incremental policy that you set up doesn't go back to that time period, yes, you're going to have double records. So you got to figure out, if you change it, that what you're changing it from, you need to either go refresh it, do something to get rid of it. So yes, it can have double.
Yeah. You got to be careful when you're dealing with
Mim.
partitions.
Oh.
What? Yeah, Mim's
here. What's up, Mim?
Yeah. Oh, look at that. Oh, Mim had that's a good point. Did you see Mim's comment?
I can set the timeout using my acyclic graph. I can set the timeout, Mim, using the retries and lots of different things. Scott's SIG tag is a social network.
What?
Just keep going, man. Just keep going.
Gosh.
Just keep
Okay.
going.
Okay.
That is a challenge. That is so what you do is if you have with your incremental refresh, you'd have to do like detect changes and
So,
you got to do some other
Patrick
things.
did a video. It's related to deletes in increment or in ag tables or incremental refreshes, and that process using the polling expression, he's actually got a cool solution where you can actually detect anything and update various partitions that need to be updated. So you can handle updates and deletes. It doesn't do that out of the box though, so you gotta do some work. All right, let's get one more before we kick over. We're almost at time for the halfway mark for member-only chat, so I'll grab one more from Shabnam. How you doing, Shabnam? Is there a way to let users create reports off a Power BI model, but only from Power BI service and not from other tools such as Excel? No. Well...
So how do you
technically,
stop?
There are tenant settings that you could prevent some of those things. So like you could disable the XMLA endpoint on the capacity. You could, I believe there's a tenant setting. I'd have to look about like, can you use Excel with models? I think there's a tenant setting for that. So I would go through the tenant settings and see what's there. That would be the only option though. Like, I don't know of any other way to.
Adam, you should do a video on that. You should do a video on that, Adam. Do some research and do a video on it.
Maybe.
I'm just trying to encourage you to do videos. That's all. I'm just trying to encourage you to do videos.
Appreciate that, man. Appreciate that, man. But yeah, that's the only way I could think of to do that. Like, there's nothing specifically that outside of a potential tenant setting. I don't know of another way to do it.
Yeah.
Yeah, the Live Connect Carrie goes off of so there are tenant settings for that as well, but also you could just turn off the XMLA endpoint as part of it as well. So yeah, cool. All right. We are going over. Oh, what?
Nope. Go ahead.
See what?
Everybody's learning about the DAG now,
Oh,
so you should go watch my video.
Too. Wow, I should have held that question. I didn't realize that. All right, I am clearing the queue. So members, go ahead and get your questions in. We are at the halfway mark. Yeah, there you go. Tenant settings. Thank you, Andrew. What?
That's a good one, John Marsh. Power BI hit its puberty as reporting services. I'm not going to say the rest of it, but it's good.
Oh wow. Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Wow. We're just like today
Thanks,
is
Scott.
just a
Thanks,
is today just a theme of like biology just creeping into the live stream? Like we're going all over the place. All right. Where is my thing? There we go. So we are cutting over to member only chat. So at this point, members and moderators will be able to participate in the chat, but non-members, you'll still be able to watch the stream, gain all the knowledge, but not be able to actually type in the chat. If you want to learn more about being a member, go ahead and hit the join button down below, or you can, I just dropped the link in the chat again, so you can go learn more. No commitment required. Just thank you for checking it out. And with that, let's switch over to member only. And members, get your questions in. We'll give it a minute or two for that to come up. I don't see any yet. And if we don't have any, that's cool. We'll cut back over to open chat. But I want to give it a minute or two to see what we got and give it an opportunity, even though we already started with Shabnam's question, which was a member question, but it was timely. And then Billy Bob, thank you for becoming a member. Very much appreciated. I love it. Prachi coming in with a question. Thank you, Prachi. Thank you, Prachi. Let's go ahead.
This is all Adam.
Which means it's a Patrick question. So
No, it's not. No, it's not.
No.
No, it's not.
Okay.
Nope.
All right. Here we go. In Azure Cost Management, can we see the compute pool capacity usage? Does this incur hosting costs? What? compute pool capacity usage. Also, how can we view this in Fabric metrics? Because in Fabric capacity metrics, we can only see operational costs. So, Patrick lied. This is absolutely a Patrick question, but
This is not a Patrick question.
what are they called? There's something billing meters. So there is. I'm going to drop this in the chat and go over to my screen. So the doc I just dropped in the chat. So this is how you can actually see from cost management. It shows you all of the meters that are there, what's generally available, and what's preview. And so for your specific question about compute pool capacity usage, compute pool capacity usage is part of Azure Cost Management. So the answer to your question is yes, it's there. Now, your next question is going to be, well, how do I do it? That I'd have to go play with. Maybe a video. But yes. So check out this doc. This shows you all the invoice meters that are available in the cost management area, and that should see it. Oh, wait, what? I misunderstood that. Prachi just said, yes, we can see it. We can see it, but Fabric compute costs. I don't know what that means. I'm not sure what you're looking for there. So I think all of these items refer back to cost on the capacity. That's why it's there in the Azure Cost Management, right? So these are items that will bill against the capacity itself. That's my understanding of it. I could be wrong, but I don't know why we would have that there if it wasn't the case, though. Does that make sense? Patrick, does that make sense to you?
Yeah. That's you, man. That's all you.
Thank you.
I would just say I don't know the answer. I got to go look this up.
Well, I put the link in the chat to the doc, right? So it even says, so yes. So the answer is yes. I'm just going to go and say yes, because if you even look at the doc, it even says this. It says when you use your Fabric capacity, your usage charges appear in the Azure portal under your subscription in Microsoft Cost Management. So that's why your cost analysis and invoice shows multiple meters, and that's incurred in the billing. And so these are the items that get billed. So the idea of these meters is you can break down the billing and the charges on the capacity, right? So you can further evaluate and understand those things. So I'm going to say yes. That's what they are there for. So this incurs billing on your capacity. So hopefully that answers it. All right, Donald coming in with a super chat. Appreciate you, Donald. 15 years of Power Pivot. Yes, V1 in May of 2010. When did you first use Power Pivot? Well, I was there when it was Project Gemini. So before it was released, I was in support at the time, supporting that. So since before it was a thing.
Man, I think I did a session on it that year at a conference in Dallas or something like that. So nice. I've been using it for a long time. Yeah.
Nice. So it's interesting. I'm just adding a few things to the queue here. Wow, got a lot of questions now. I love it. Keep the questions coming in. Power Pivot since the beginning. That was the original. That was the first one out, and then Power Query and Power View came after that. All right. Christian asking, what's your favorite and most hated feature in Power BI after 10 years?
Favorite feature. Man, there's so many.
I know.
There's so many.
That Karthik export to Excel. That's funny. I mean, that's why people create Power BI reports, right? just so we can export it.
I'm not sure. There's so many. God, man, that's a. Well, I rather the technical questions. That's a hard question. My favorite.
Stump Patrick. Was there anything you don't like in Power BI?
You know what? It's going to be a DAX thing. The variables. Variables are great.
Oh,
variables is one of they are really variables and DAX is one of my favorite
So,
features.
fun fact about variables, and this is my understanding of it, is that variables were actually created not for you all. It was created because of Power BI to improve performance in reaction, right? And then it was an amazing feature, and they said, let's just give this to everyone and let them use it.
Yeah.
So that's my understanding of variables.
And my least favorite is analyze in Excel.
Why? I prefer. So you'd rather export the data than use Analyze in Excel?
No, you don't need Excel. Everything's in Power BI. Why do you need to leave Power BI?
Well, I want a pivot table.
Yeah, you don't really need a pivot table. Let's go on. Let's move on.
Well, no, I didn't answer yet. Oh my gosh, you're not even letting me. So my favorite feature's got to be dark mode. I just got to go with dark mode. And then hated feature. I don't know. What I dislike is that shape maps is still in preview, but it's not necessarily a hated feature per se. So I don't know that I hate anything. Let's go with word cloud. That's my hated feature is word cloud. So we'll say that. What was your And yes, I hear noises on you. There's people. You have people.
Yeah.
It's all right.
I do. I have people.
You're fine.
It's Nikki. It's my sister Nikki and Mason.
Hey,
they just showed up.
Tell her the world says hello.
All right. I will.
All right. Mark asking, he noticed my background is different. And is there a new look coming? Yes, it will. I'm in the process of doing things. So just FYI, I just moved recently. So I'm having to retool everything and whatnot. So there will be some things behind me. I have to pay some money to get some things updated. And so it'll be a journey. It'll be a journey. All right.
Look at Donald's. Hey, Nikki, you're so fine. Look at Donald's.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Oh, Damu.
Yes.
Bi-directional relationships. Yes,
Damu got it. Damu got it. Yes. There you go.
He's like this. Damu did this. Mic drop.
Yeah.
That's it.
Appreciate you, Damu.
That's a good one.
That's
a good one, man.
Oh, yeah. Bi-directional. There you go. All right. Here we go. Patrick question all the way from Shabnab. Can you conditionally format the color of columns in the bar chart visual? Yes.
I thought so.
Yes.
Okay, Shabnam, are you trying to trick us?
No, you can do. I've done that. I thought.
I thought I had videos on
Yeah,
it.
that's what I thought too. I thought we've got that. Yeah, and Carrie's saying yes. Yes, you can. Absolutely, 100%. Like that's one of the main. That was one of the very first things. She's setting us up.
I'm opening up a demo file right now. She set us up.
Scott, I'm pretty sure we've got a video for that too.
I think Shamnam's setting us up for something.
I don't know. But yeah, I think that was like one of the very first things like conditional formatting could do, because then it was like, in other areas, and like the people wanted it in tables and other things, and those items came. But like, yeah, the bar chart, I think that was like the very first thing you could do. So yeah, you got the FX button on it. Yep. All right.
Just keep rolling.
Yeah. Isaac coming in. How can I disassociate my NAT Gateway in Azure not working in production? My NAT, network address translation. So gateway, and I don't know what the NAT gateway is. I know about the Power BI or Fabric gateway. I'm not sure, Isaac, what you're actually looking for. Are you saying VNet? Are you going after VNet gateway? I don't know. enlighten me on the NAT thing. Like, I understand what network address translation is from a networking perspective. I don't know how that relates to Fabric or Power BI.
Are they just talking about the gateway?
Oh, through a dedicated IP. Interesting. It's a must. Okay. Well, yeah. So typically where you use network address translation is if like my home router here, I've got a IP that's out on the internet, but I've got my local network. Like, I understand what network address translation is for. I don't know how that relates to Azure though. I know, like, from a router perspective how that works. I'm trying to. Is it just a sense like if you've got the virtual machine and you want to route it through that? But typically it's like a 1-to-1 on that front. I don't understand the question. I mean, okay. We'll have to move on from that. I'd have to go look at what that means in relationship to a gateway, because, like, I understand virtual machine, you're going to have a single IP. So I don't know why you would need to use NAT in that scenario. It's going to go through. So that's probably just my lack of understanding on it. So, but I can do a whole educational course on what network address translation is. So, like, I understand it. But yeah, right, Patrick? You know all about it. And you can do subnet mask math. Like, that's math I'm good at.
Why would I need to do that?
If you're doing routing, like, it's important.
You
can do sub routing.
I'm not doing routing.
Like, do VNets on an actual router. Like, you can do all that stuff. It's great.
Never gonna do that.
Great.
Never gonna do any of that.
Thank you, Scott. So I would love to have a conversation afterwards to understand more about that. But yeah, all right. Billy Bob, do you have a status update on the core visuals update that the core visuals team are working on? My FP&A team are anxiously awaiting new updates on the table and matrix visuals. Stay tuned. So one thing I will tell you is go to the public roadmap. That's the best place to go look and see where updates are and what's coming.
There's Miguel. I got to find it, and Alex may find it. Miguel published there's a visuals like update report that you can go look at. Is that what you're talking about? Sorry.
Yeah,
Is that what okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
I didn't know if that's up to date though. I don't know when that was last updated.
He keeps it pretty up to date, and so it's a blog or something out there on the it's the vision board. He put it on LinkedIn. I'll find it. I'm looking for it right now. Somebody will probably find it.
Let's Google it and see.
Yeah. Oh no, Bing it. Use Bing. Bing's better.
I know, but I don't like. Google now has a cool term, and I don't have that for Bing. Visual planner. What? No. All right. If someone can get me oh, here we go. There's a doc. Oh, here's the blog. That's the blog. And then there should be a link. Here we go. Let's cut over to my machine. Woo. Here we go. Vision board on LinkedIn. Vision board. Look at this. It's a report. Who knew that? Nobody knew that. You muted yourself, Patrick. And then you
tells you everything you want to know.
Yeah, you come into matrix and tables. Well, but it doesn't give dates though. Where's the dates? Oh, status. Oh, there you go. Completed. Look at this. And then fabric ideas. There you go. Look at that. But it doesn't actually tell you when. I don't know. So, but go explore this.
It gives you an idea of what they're working on. Yeah, go explore it. Yeah, go explore.
Yeah, go explore it. All right, cool. Great question.
Yeah, he's looking for timelines. Billy Bob's looking for timelines. I know. Sorry.
So but that's where go to the roadmap though. Roadmap will have timelines if it's planned. So that's the problem. If it's not planned, there is no timeline that's public.
Yeah.
The only time there's a public timeline is if it's currently planned. And then it'll be reflected. So from a planning perspective, the Fabric team does 6-month semester planning. So the current semester we're in now, it's from April to the end of September, and then October starts the next semester, and that's how they do planning on those things. So So you gotta, like, that's the thing, is if it's not planned for this semester, there's no public date, and so it might come next semester or the semester after. So they're doing this incrementally, and so just keep getting your feedback in. The team is very well aware. They do have plans to do that, and everyone is very excited to see where that goes. So cool. Christina, thank you for becoming a member. Appreciate you.
Yeah, appreciate it.
It's great. All right. Go ahead.
I'm stuck on Shabnam's. Sorry, I'm stuck on Shabnam's conditional thing.
You want me to show
formatting of? I'm sorry. No. Don't show it. I just want to say, Shabnam, when you go into the format section, go look for columns, and under columns, there's a color section where you would do it. Go look at it. It's not. Yeah. Go look for the color under columns. Go ahead, Adam.
Well, that's what they said in the chat, by the way.
So paying attention to the chat.
FX button is there. Yeah. Oh, Shabnam sent us a sample email. Got it. The colors section of a series does not have the FX in front of it. Yeah, so I guess like you're looking for something very specific within conditional formatting, and so the email is. We'll take a look at the email. Maybe we'll talk about it next week.
Yep.
Yeah, I don't have time to do that right now. So cool. All right, Chewy coming in with a question. It was good to see Chewy on Thursday. It was amazing.
Yep.
And the most expected feature that hasn't been built. Repeated question from last Thursday.
He's just trolling. We were stuck Thursday. No, what do you want? What do you want in Power BI?
What do I want?
What do you want that hasn't been built? Yeah.
I want magic. How do you build magic?
Okay, let's just keep
what,
going.
what do you want that hasn't been built?
I don't know. I don't know. Oh, default. That's right. Default.
Oh yeah, default on the slicers. Yeah, that's what you said.
Yeah.
Look, Carrie coming in, helping Shabnam out. Carrie said, if you cluster it, it doesn't have FX, so it has to be a standard bar chart, not a clustered bar chart. That's good to know. It's good to know.
Yeah.
I don't know why Patrick didn't get it. He's a design master. Which is pretty impressive if he's only 23 also. That's amazing. Yeah. So, all right. Damu. This is actually the last question in the queue, by the way. So if you do have a question, get it in. Have you ever seen a message box which says retry without web account manager when signing into Power BI using an alternative account than your regular Windows account? Retry without web account manager. No, I've not seen that.
I've not.
I'm gonna make a guess here. So I don't know necessarily the specifics of what you were trying to do. I know you're saying an alternative account, so I'm guessing a non-organizational account. So like a Gmail or Yahoo, if anyone still has Yahoo, or AOL. Those are still around too. Like if it's never been registered or anything, like maybe that's what's causing it. I would go back to why are you logging in with a non-organizational account? It's an organizational
It just says
account.
alternative account.
I don't know what alternative
It's just not
means.
your account. It's not Adam. It's John Doe.
Okay.
Shouldn't matter.
It
shouldn't matter.
It's an org account and it's registered by it.
Yeah, I've never
and
seen
if it's
it.
not
Yeah,
registered,
yeah.
it should put you through the flow of doing it. I would definitely try it
Scott.
Yeah, but so Scott said the profile, but before you even do that, just try it in private browser or something like that real quick, and just see if that maybe there's something cache that's causing a problem. I don't know.
It happened to me recently. It happened to me. I didn't get that error, but I had to go into in private to make another account
Caching,
work. Right.
Caching
So
always
it definitely
messes
worked.
with you.
Yep.
Caching messes with you. All right, Donald. I don't know if you meant to do a Q colon. You did S colon. I don't know what S colon is. Maybe that stands for statement instead of question.
Yeah, that's a good one. That's a good one. That's a good one.
Wait, Damu said it's not an error. Well, then I don't understand. I need more details, Damu. I don't know. I've never seen it though, for sure. All right. Isaac had another question here. What can you say about getting Microsoft certifications? How important is it and its impact? Ooh, that's good. I like that because it's layered like an onion. What do you think about certifications, Patrick?
I don't have any.
I'm going to say, and we haven't said this yet today, it depends. So, yeah, I can't believe we didn't have that. Yeah. So certifications from my perspective are interesting. So for those that don't know about it depends, if we say it depends on an answer, $1 goes in the jar. At the end of the year, we give that to charity. There you go, Chewy. I can't believe I wasn't even thinking about it. So certifications from my perspective, twofold. They can be great for people. Like if someone mentioned this in the chat. Scott said this. It can force learning. So like if you're not familiar with it and you go down the learning path to pass a certification, it exposes you to different aspects of the product, which can be great.
Yep.
Now, if you were fully, so like let's take Patrick and I, where we're fully aware of the capabilities, we live it every day. We're, intimately involved in Power BI and Fabric and all that. Is there a benefit for us taking the certification? Like outside of just bragging rights of, hey, I passed the certification. Like that's the only real benefit for us personally. But if you're using it as a method to learn, that can be great. Now, I will also say if you're looking for a job or whatnot, it adds a little bit extra to your profile as well to give some confidence to someone that's interviewing you, right? So they'll say like, oh, well, you've got some experience with it, right? It doesn't necessarily mean that you're the best at it, but if you were compared to two candidates, one had a cert and one didn't, and that was the breaking tie factor, like, bam, there you go. You got the job. Congratulations. High five. Right? So that's something to think about as well. I will tell you personally, though, in interviewing, there was someone that I interviewed. This was back when I was in support, and they had, I want to say, every certification you could think of, Microsoft and not. Stuff outside of Microsoft. And when I interviewed the person, they're like, oh, yeah, I've never actually used Windows, but I'm a Linux guy, but I passed the certification. But I've never actually touched Windows. And I'm like, okay, so you know how to memorize a book and answer questions in a test. And so that's something to think about too. Certifications to me do not equate to experience necessarily, right? But they are a measure of knowledge, which is good. Yeah.
I don't think it's a bad thing. I don't think having a certification is a bad thing.
Another thing a certification tells me is also that you have, like you're pushing yourself, right? So there's ambition. Yep. And I think that's a good thing as well. Yep. So I think there's tons of pros to it. It's not for everyone though, and you don't necessarily need it.
And to be honest, if I didn't work for Microsoft, I can't tell you that I wouldn't have these certifications. I probably would be studying up, learning, getting all these certifications. I can't tell you that I wouldn't. I probably would.
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah. Yes. Yeah, Carrie. Yeah, that's the thing too. It could be a requirement for a job. Like you need to have it. Like they're not even going to look at you without the certification. So that's very possible. I do remember in the support, when I was in support, the field support wasn't directly affected, but I know the sellers were affected. They had to get a certification like every time period or
annually,
whatever.
Once a year. Once a fiscal year, I had to get a certification. So I passed an Azure certification, a SQL certification. My last 2 years or 3 years in the field. Yeah. So maybe I still have them. I don't know. I have to go look it up. I don't know.
I will tell you the last certification Patrick and I actually did, though, was the very, very first Power BI certification, and we were I personally suck at taking tests, so
I forgot about that.
I've always sucked at taking tests. I'm not good.
I forgot about that.
My mind just like goes blank, and I'm awful. So we were wondering, like, what if we don't pass this? Like, what does that mean? Do we get fired? I don't know. But we passed, so it was all good. Ross, thank you for becoming a member. Very much appreciated. All right, we're almost at time. Let's get one more question. Karthik had one. Any ideas on how to restore unpublished app? An intern just did that, and Git doesn't support apps. We redid the whole thing again. So if it's unpublished, you should be able to republish, right? And the settings are still there. So I don't. It's not an actual delete. I don't, like when you unpublish, I don't think it removes all the stuff.
Yeah, but I think. Oh, I don't know.
Yeah.
No, I think it's gone, man. I think it's gone when you unpublish it.
But I think if you go back into I'll have to try it. But if you go back into republish, does it?
Yeah.
Do I have one? Hang on. I think I have one. I do. Let's try it.
You got stuff in it? Do you have stuff in it?
Yes, I got stuff. Look. So if I go
like
here,
links.
Yeah, I got a content here. So let me add. This is already published, right? So test. Maybe I have current tab, no section. Cool. Add. All right. So we got the test link, right? You're seeing this, Patrick?
Yep. Mm-hmm.
All right.
Yeah. I'm looking.
And then I'm going to update the app. It's already published. I'm going to update it, right? The power of the internet. And then let's go back. See, this is what I'm talking about. We try it. Like, I don't know.
Yeah. I like this.
And then we'll go
I
in,
like this. Do it.
unpublish the app. Bang.
Yeah.
All right. Now let's see. Create an app. Ooh, yeah, I think I deleted it. It deleted it.
It's
All
all
right.
gone.
Yeah, so it resets it. Yeah, there's no way to recover that. The only way I could think of to recover that is, yeah, that's not a good day. The only way I could think of to potentially recover it is to open a support ticket and see if they can do it. That would be the only option, but it's dependent on whether they maintain the history on the back end, and I don't know that you can do that. So you may have to read it.
That's
but
what I was thinking.
support would be the only
when you
option for
unpublish
you.
it.
I didn't think it wiped everything out. I
unpublish,
thought
it's
it
gone.
maintained it. So, but yeah, it's gone. Ooh, it's gone.
That's funny.
It's gone.
That's funny.
Yeah,
That's
Karthik said he redid it again. So yeah. Calling support for that one would be the only thing. So.
Yep.
So sorry.
Thank you, Miss Belinda. We're happy to be back. We're
Yes.
happy to be back.
Yes. What is going on with? Oh, hang on. Ah, man.
So it's not a bug. So it's a bug, not a feature.
Oh, man.
What happened?
Nothing. We're good.
Okay. Come back. Come back.
Yeah. I'm trying to get. I don't have. Spotify is doing weird things, and so I'm trying to get the outro music. So there's not going to be any outro music apparently because Spotify just took a dump on me. Going back to our colon and comment. So yeah. All right. Well, thank you everyone. We made it to the end of the stream. I appreciate everyone. We are back. I would say we should be on next Saturday.
Yes.
I don't know why we wouldn't.
Yes, we should be on next Saturday.
Oh yeah, Patrick. Any closing words of wisdom?
Oh man. Don't listen to this. This was a good one, Adam.
I'm listening.
Don't be afraid of change. Don't be afraid of it. Right. Lots of change has happened for you and I wasn't happy about my change at first, but it's the best thing that happened for me. Right. This change is the best thing that happened for me. So don't be afraid of change.
Don't be afraid of change. I love it.
Yeah. Yep.
All right.
All right. Have a great great weekend, everyone.
Have a great weekend and next week, and it will be amazing. And we will see y'all in the videos and next Saturday. So appreciate y'all. We'll see you.
Yeah, appreciate y'all.